Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I ran out here today to check on my seedlings. Y'all, I'm talking about overwinter and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna just admit it. I have to do better during the winter time at watering because I killed my pepper plants. Look at that. It was terrible. I left fruit on. I gotta do better. But my what are these? My Asian pear cuttings are doing good. So I'll take that. And then I think this is the Valencia orange. Let me see. Yeah, and this the lime. It's yeah. It's still alive. It just needs some help. And then I do have germination. I have flashy lettuce. I have beets. Let's see what else came in. And chives. Nice. Also, yadfa, broccoli. My German chamomile came in, and remember I kept saying I can't grow it, so I hope I can keep it because it's really small. And then bok choy has come in, so I'm pretty excited. I just have to do better with watering in the greenhouse during the winter months because I don't want to come out here. But I said I was gonna do it, so I need to do it. And then y'all know I saw that real big spider. I definitely was not trying to come out here. I'm gonna show you something. Um, so this is done. Okay, this is done. And yes, I didn't harvest all of it, but I harvested a lot of parsley. And I want to get the rest of this um rosemary. But look at this tarragon. Tarragon will last through a super drought. A super drought because I wasn't watering that. I'm trying. Let me get out of here. So it's 65 in here, which is the temp I set it at for it to stay at 65, which is good. For the last few days, it's been like 79 and 80 in the greenhouse because it's been 48, 50 for the last 2, 3 days. Look at this peach tree. Let me make sure you guys can see the peach tree. Now, I hope and pray that I do get more. I trimmed, but it looks like I didn't get all of it. I need to get these. But I'm loving this peach tree. So I signed up for Chip Drop, but they still haven't come. So I was just like, forget it. So what I'm doing now is just getting bags. They're like $2.75 from Menards. Bags of natural wood chips. Putting them out. Whenever I get some, I get like 4 at a time. So, like I said before, a little bit at a time. You don't have to do a bunch at once. A little bit at a time. And you guys, if you go to the beginning, you'll see how we added a little bit at a time. And the garden is super growing. And I love it. I'm going to say, it don't matter how many times you come out here to clean. If you get the bagged and opened up and now I get trash, so I have to clean it up again. Which is fine. I'll just take it to the front instead of putting it in the bag and leaving it. I'll just take it to the front. But I just wanted to come on to show you guys a little bit of the greenhouse and let you know that I was lazy with the watering. So, but I'll see. I'm gonna cut the limbs off and see if those pepper plants make it. I wonder. We'll see, cause that tarragon definitely made it. We'll say hi to the hens. The girls are doing wonderful. The girls are doing wonderful. Hi. I'm surprised with how cold it's been. Nobody has burns on them or anything. I guess they just have to get used to it because last season we had one that had a burn up there, and they say you could put petroleum jelly on it to make sure they don't get frozen. But I think this tarp system worked. And then, of course, you close them in at night so that freezing, super freezing temperature at night doesn't really affect them. But I just want to come on and say hi and show you an update on things. And I can't wait to spring. That's our basically, I guess, some of the winter sowing. I'm not done, and we're gonna get to it. But we're still cold. We're still gonna get 6 below here in a few days. So I'm not gonna do anything too quick. Last time I did, and we had tomatoes bursting out the seams. And I don't want to up pot too much into like a 3-gallon container when it's a tomato going in the garden. So we don't want to do stuff too early. If I be Iowa, we still got some cold temps coming. So I just wanted to come on and talk to you guys for a little bit. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.